Today is 1st of May. I am doing this video for the week starting 2nd of May. This week is going to be a very important week because it's a make or break week for Nifty. Now, let us look at Nifty. In the last week, if you watch this, you will find that Nifty has always given a gap up opening and gap down. It has opened gap up here, and then again it opened gap down here, gap down here, gap up here, gap down here, gap up here. Only on 29th April it was able to fill up all these gaps. So, what is in store now? If you watch very closely, I have drawn a line here from the top of this is the top of 19th October, then another top of 18th January, and a top of 4th April. You find there is a 3 times it has hit that line and come down. So, it is a triple top, very clear, and this triple top, unless it gets breached, the market is going to go down. I feel that Nifty next target, the ultimate target again is 15,841. This is the same place where it went last time, and if 15,841 breaks, then the next target will be around 14,500. So, that's the target for Nifty. That is what is my feeling. Now, let us go to Sensex. In the earlier videos, I had spoken about the head and shoulder pattern that has happened in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. This is still, it still holds good. Again, Sensex, all the gaps have been filled. Now, the target is 52,000, 53,000, around 53,000, and if that gets breached, if 51,900 is breached, then the next target is straight away 48,200. That is about Sensex. Now, let us look at Nifty Bank. Bank Nifty is a punter's favorite. So, let us look at what is happening with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is still in the bullish zone. It is not yet, it has not yet given a breakdown. The breakdown will happen at 35,730. So, once it has breached, but it did not close below that. So, 35,730 is the level at which it if it closes, then the next target is straight away 33,390. Now, if when Nifty is expected to go down, when Sensex is expected to go down, you can only thing is it is a matter of time that Bank Nifty will also go down. So, target of Bank Nifty 33,300, next target is 31,570. Only then probably we may see some kind of a pullback. So, that is about Bank Nifty. I again appeal to all of you, kindly watch the full video, share the video, and share it with your friends and relatives who are interested in stock markets, who are interested in learning about stock markets. We at Money School also conduct stock market classes. I am planning to conduct fundamental analysis classes also. So, those who are interested are always welcome. Please like, share, subscribe this channel, and help others to learn, and help us also to learn. Thank you very much. Now, let us look at stock by stock, so that we can reinforce what is happening to the stocks. Asian Paints, it is still bullish, target 33,61, final target 35,37. Britannia is still in bullish zone, first target 34.26, second target 36.30, third target 36.87, final target 37,778. Cipla, last week only it has given a breakdown. So, low, you can go short or you can exit. You will get a chance to get in, you will get to a chance to see 880 rupees on Cipla. Eicher Motors, Eicher Motors is bullish. It is the first target is going to be, the target is going to be 2776. We are very near to that. It has already gone to a high of 2707. 2776 is the first target, and ultimate target is 2874. Nestle is bullish. Nestle first target is already hit, second target is already hit. Next target is 19689, final target is 20,000. Grasim, Grasim, the target has already been hit 1826. So now we are waiting for what will happen to Grasim. So if it breaks down below 1650, then I think it is a bearish sign. HDFC HDFC was very volatile in the last 10 days. Now it is still bearish. The target for bearish target was 2141, which has already been hit, but it will only give a buy signal at 2439. Until then there is a no trade zone. Hero Motocorp, it has given a buy signal 3 days back on 27th April, and the first target was 2488, which was hit. Second target was 2511, which is also hit. Then I don't know whether it will hit the ultimate target. Ultimate target would be before that it's 2570, may not go. Ultimate target is 2833. I don't think it will go there. It will be flattish from here. Hindalco. The war is dragging on, and Hindalco has, I think, finished all the help that it got from the war. It had given a, I had given a sell call on Hindalco at 572. Target was 472. It has already hit the target, but still I think the target is final target is 426, and we are still waiting for 426 to happen on Hindalco. Hindustan Lever, the target of 2279 is already reached. Now next target is 2357, but because there is a red candle, this may take some time, but I am hopeful that it will go to 2352, and then finally it will go to 2416. ITC ITC 260 was touched to, it went up to 270. The final target I had given was 262. It has already gone to 272 or something like that. It's still bullish, but probably time for a breakdown. If it has to break down, it has to break down below 250. On the long term basis, I am very bullish on ITC. L&T is the infrastructure story, but as of now there is bearishness in L&T. L&T was L&T had given a breakdown at 1730, which is there in the earlier videos. The target was 1683. 1683 is already touched, and it is back, but we will have to wait for 1783 to start buying once more. Mahindra and Mahindra is still on a roll. The last target given was 897, which is already crossed. Next target is 949, which is very close. Now I think it has gone near to that 945. So I think this target is also over. So I think now if you can book profits and get out of Mahindra and Mahindra. Reliance Industries target, first target was given at 2600, which was already which was reached long back. Next target that was given was 2750. So that also was has been reached. Now I think it's time to book profits in Reliance. It opens up. Yes, it has opened up. Target given was 26,194. It's already reached. next target 26,383 is already reached, final target 25,566 possible, so you can hold on to Sri Cement. Tata Consumers, again all targets are reaching. You can see the earlier videos also. The target of 832 is already done. If you want, you can book profits, otherwise keep trailing stop losses. I think if you want to trail your stop loss, or the new stop loss is 771, and final, of course, the breakdown is at 755. Target is 852. You can wait for 852 to happen. Tata Motors gave a scare. It went. It gave a buy at 453, and then from there it came down all the way to the breakdown at 421, but it's still not broken down. Tata Motors targets are 499 and 530, but this will take a long time. If you have the patience, you can wait for Tata Motors. Tata Steel, I had given a buy signal, I had given a buy call long back. Now it's time to say that it has already given a sell call. It has already given a sell signal at 1258, and now we are at 1271, but I think it's time to exit Tata Steel and wait for a correction. Wipro had given a buy, had given a sell signal at 567. Target was actually 545, but it has gone beyond the target and hit the or the ultimate target of 506. I still think that there is some cause for concern here. So I think the only target that comes to my mind is 479. Apollo Hospitals. Apollo Hospitals is on the brink of breakdown. If you are holding it, sell it. First target will be 4354. Final target would be 4095. First, in this week only you can see 4350. Dr. Reddy's has given a sell signal. The very clear sell signal has come at 4096. Target is 3840. Titan has given a sell signal long back, 15 days back. I think on 7th April it has given a sell signal. 7th April video has this thing. Target is 2362 and final target is 2304. State Bank of India. State Bank of India is in a no trade zone. It is bullish. It gave a buy signal long back on 15th March. Earlier videos has this. Target was 527. It came all the way up to 522, and from there it has gone down. It is still not in a no trade zone. If you have bought it at when it had given a buy call, I think it's time to sell. BPCL is a big breakdown. BPCL you can expect 341. It's another 20 rupees from here. Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank has not, you can see the resistance line there. It has just crossed the resistance line, but 2-3 times it has hit that resistance line and come down. It will give a buy signal only if it crosses this red line of 1851. UPL has been very volatile recently. UPL had given a buy signal on 7th March, and from there the target was 834. It has hit the target on 13th April. So if you are holding it, I think it's time to revise your stop losses. You can put a stop loss of 769 if you had bought at 728. You can keep the stop loss. First stop loss you can keep at 792, and then oh yeah, I think you can trail your stop loss to 790 and then continue. Infosys has given a breakdown on 11th April, and from there there is a big gap down here, and this gap has to be filled. If it doesn't fill, then there is going to be chaos in that. On the RSI front, you will find that Infosys is in oversold category. Target for Infosys, the downward target is 1480, 1470, 1480. That is the target. So after this oversold, after a small pullback, you can expect first target to be 1500 and then 1480. Bajaj Finance has given a breakdown on 27th April. Target is 6252. Sun Pharma has reached all targets. It is still in the high, it's still in the blue sky zone. If you are holding it, you can revise your stop loss and keep riding the wave. JSW Steel gave a breakout at 652. From there it has moved up all the way to 790 or so. Now it is at 727. Time to revise your stop loss and keep riding. Hold it until you hit a stop loss, so you can carry on trailing your stop losses. HDFC Bank, I'll remove this line. HDFC Bank also gave a breakdown on 13th April. From there the target was 1349, which is already reached, and it seems like there is a pullback, but the pullback will be certain only if it crosses 1479. Until then there is no hope, and this gap is going to be very crucial. This gap of 1431 and 1462, these 30 rupees are going to be very crucial. TCS, my favorite. I have invested in TCS. I am bullish on TCS. TCS, it had given a sell signal at 3622. The target was 3482, which is already hit, and I believe that it will go back, claw back to 37 whatever it is. My target, but guaranteed buy is only at 3733. Until then it's going to be sideways. ICICI Bank, second time it has given fantastic results, and from there it went up and then again started coming down. Target for ICICI Bank was when it gave buy signal on 1st April, the target was first target was 780, which was touched, I think, on 777.90 was touched on 19th April. Actually ultimate target is 820, but from there ICICI Bank has been moving down. You can revise your stop loss and ride the wave, but be careful. I think this low of 732 is the ultimate stop loss. If it crosses below that, then I think it's better to sell and get out of ICICI Bank. Power Grid, all power stocks have been doing well. Power Grid also is no exception. It has given a buy signal long back, that was at 208. Now it is at 227. Revise your stop losses, continue holding. Maruti gave a great news some time back, and then at that time it gave a buy signal. After that buy signal, this was on 21st March, after that 22nd March or so. After that buy signal, the target actually was 8901, but it has not been able to touch that target. It has been moving sideways. It is, as of now, it is in a no trade zone. IndusInd Bank, IndusInd Bank has given a buy signal on it has given a buy signal on 1st April, and from there the target was very small. It was 977, which is already hitting that sort. That's where the stock is right now. So you can book profits or trail your stop losses. If it crosses this line, then ultimate target is 1258. First target from here is 1023. So you can revise your stop loss and hold the stock. Axis Bank has given a sell signal on 29th April. It is very clear here. First target is 721, ultimate target is 685. If you are holding it, sell. If you are not holding it, go short. 685 is the target. Hcl Tech, this is a stock which has not come up to the expectations. Given a sell signal on 18th April. From there the target was very small, actually 1101, but it has gone down to 1079 now, and that way if you look at it, long term also is 1050 is the is a buying zone. So it's time to buy if it goes to 1050. ONGC has given a sell signal, very clear sell signal. First target is 154, next target is 138. This sell signal also means that there is going to be a bearishness in oil. Ntpc has given a buy signal long back. Again it gave a buy signal on 1st of April. Old video has this. Target I had given was 140, then 144, and then it's now in the, as they say, it's in the blue sky zone. So keep trailing your stop loss. 150 target is also achieved, so keep trailing your stop loss and enjoy the ride. Coal India Coal India had given a buy signal on 28th February. From there it has been going up and up. Now I think yesterday on 29th April you will find that it has touched the selling zone. So tomorrow if it closes below this 182.5, I think that will be a very strong sell signal. So if you are holding it, I think it 182 is your stop loss. Bharti Airtel gave a buy signal on 17th March. From there the target was 769, which is achieved. Now it is in now you can wait until until you want to book profits. Whenever you want, you can book profits or keep trailing your stop losses. Tech Mahindra has given a sell signal on 12th April. From there the target was 1341. From there it has still gone down. So if you look at a longer term chart of Tech Mahindra, it seems that 1083 is a good support. Until then there is no support, and therefore it's in a very bearish territory. Divi's Lab, it gave a buy signal on 17th March, but target was first target was not there. The second target was around 4760, which it has not touched. It has been consolidating it at this level. If there is a breakout, if it breaks out from 4640 or so, then the first target will be 4757, next target would be 4920, then 5144, and so on. So hold it if you have bought, wait for the breakout. Adani Ports Adani Ports gave a buy signal on 25th March. From there it has been moving up, and if you are holding it, revise your stop loss. The final target was 867, which is also achieved. In fact, it went much higher than that. So you can revise your stop loss and keep holding Adani Ports if you are holding it. HDFC Life. HDFC Life, when I drawn this line, I had said that it has given a breakout, and then from there HDFC Life moved. Now with LIC IPO coming, you can expect life insurance company stocks to do well. 559 was the breakout. First target was 568, second target was 573, next target was 581. All these targets are achieved. So next target is 617, then 647 and 661, and so on and so forth. This stock is good for the long term. SBI Life gave a breakout on 8th April, and yesterday it gave a scare. In fact, 3 days it has scared, trying to touch the breakdown level, but it has not touched. Again, there are some very bad news about SBI Life, some marketing news. So maybe some effect may be there, but I think you can still hold unless it crosses unless it goes below 1065. It is still in the buy zone. Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement is in the buy zone right from 29th March onwards. Target is 7677. Stop loss is 6417. So you can continue holding it. Bajaj Auto had given a buy signal on 16th March. From there the target was small, it was 3657, but it has gone beyond the target. It has gone to the ultimate target of 3987. So from there I think you can trail your stop loss. You can see here two red candles, and the sell signal will come only if it falls below 3581. Last one, Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv has given a breakdown on 18th April. From there, the target was 14626, which has been reached. That it was reached on 28th April. So you can wait until the next week. If you look at RSI, it seems like turnaround, but don't jump, because if you look at the trend line, this is the falling trend line of Bajaj Finserv. You can see that unless it crosses this trend line, there is no point in buying Bajaj Finserv. So we come to the end of the video. I again appeal to all of you, kindly watch the full video, share the video, and share it with your friends and relatives who are interested in stock markets, who are interested in learning about stock markets. We at Money School also conduct stock market classes. I am planning to conduct fundamental analysis classes also, so those who are interested are always welcome. Please like, share, subscribe this channel, and help others to learn, and help us also to learn. Thank you very much.